All right, so today I just want to go over a few things with you, potential clients or, maybe even current clients. And this is because of a couple interactions I've had this week with a couple potential clients. And then last night's what really made me decide to make this video. So I had somebody that wanted to sign up last night and they were upset because I wouldn't hop on a phone call with them. Tried to make them understand due to TSR, we can't have phone calls with them. Well, he was upset because the way he felt was, why would we go through all these steps and then maybe I don't want to work with you or not? Well, just to be honest, one, I don't think you should come to me at all unless you're 100% ready to sign up. If a consultation is that important to you, just go to one of these people that don't care about the laws, rules, and regulations of credit repair. Because trust me, they're out there, they don't care. And you're more likely to find a scammer that way. But hey, if you get your phone call, if that's what makes you happy, then do it. I mean, I'm not complaining at all. But I tried to make this person understand I'm not going to risk losing my business or getting sued or shut down over $149, and I'm not going to do it for anybody. We're going to follow all the laws, rules, and regulations of credit repair. And if they change, guess what? We're going to change too. I know y'all probably remember I just changed my pricing to $199 to start and $149 a month. Well, my attorney said, no. CROA does not allow a credit repair organization to charge more than $149 for the processing fee and then more than $199 a month. So instead of reversing it and charging you $199 a month, I kept it at $149 a month, and I lowered the processing fee that I just lowered to $199 to $149. Listen, I get it. You want to hop on the phone with somebody. You want them to make you feel comfortable. You want to hear them say, we can fix your credit, guaranteed. You're not going to find that here with me, my company, my attorneys, and my team. We are not here to lie to you and tell you what you want to hear just so you will sign up with our services. We would much rather tell you the truth about how credit repair works and tell you the facts about how credit repair works and you not sign up with us versus telling you what you want to hear just so you will give us some money. We don't want money that bad. I don't, and the attorneys don't. But our goal here is to get you the best results possible and get you paid. Does that mean everybody gets the best results possible? No. Does that mean everybody gets paid? Absolutely not. I've never said that. We are the most transparent credit repair company there is. We have nothing to hide. We're not going to do anything illegal, and we're not going to do anything that's risky to our company. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.